Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. You might have faced this issue. Your laptop makes loud noise continuously on start. You can stop it using mute button, but that is not the permanent solution. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue permanently. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then go and subscribe and don't forget to tap on the bell icon for more technical solutions. So let's start. Open your laptop and go to the search bar. Here you need to type control panel. Then hit the enter. Now go to the hardware and sound. Here go to the sound. It's taking time. Now here you need to go to the recording and scroll down. Here we will find the microphone option. Double click on the microphone and go to the listen. Here you need to uncheck this box and then click on apply. OK. Hopefully it will resolve your issue. Thank you and keep watching Ashfaq Insights.